Guys, just a quick message, Listen, here's the thing. 2 quick messages. 1, do you know that the ANC has never lost the award in Soweto? This is the first time that the ANC has been beaten in Soweto. Everybody tried, MK, EFF, Action, COPE. Nobody could beat them. The Patriotic Alliance is the first party to take a award from the ANC in Soweto. I just wanted you to have that information. That's the first time the ANC loses a award in Soweto. It has never happened. That's number 1. Number 2, do you know yesterday when we won that by-election, what significant, historical happening occurred? You guys know about the Trojan Horse massacre in Etlung. I want you to read up on the Trojan Horse massacre. Ismail actually reminded me. The Trojan Horse massacre in Etlung. Remember the SG and them went there, I think last year, to take flowers and stuff? Read up on the Trojan Horse massacre in Etlung. It happened exactly on the same day that we massacred all these parties. Dat is nie vir die PA nie. Die is grondhonde. Grondhonde. So I just want to say to everybody, thank you. Thank you and thank you and thank you. Ons spijt dat nie. You don't understand. Yo, Patriots, I'm looking at your videos. Yo. I'm looking at your videos, I look at everything, I'm like, wow. Dat is nie vir ons, man. Bevind yourself by die volgende by-election. SG, kan jy asseblief al die by-elections post, asseblief? Bevind yourself daar. Salute. Thank you.